back down, if we nose down twice. Now we'll probably be able to listen to the crews as they conduct the nose over.
Good eye, good speed.
What's that?
Good eye, good speed. Stand by. Ready. Enter. Now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 50. Rest on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 400, 350, 300, 250, 200, pedal turn in, 90, 100 off, 150, 10, 20, look, turn, now, 450, 500, 450, 400, low level 270 units, 300, 250, 200, good item.
In the cabin today is Sergeant Scotty Morris. Scotty joined the Air Force in 2009 as a logistics supplier deploying to Afghanistan before applying to become aircrew. He completed his training and joined 27 Squadron in 2018, and in his 4 years on Squadron he is deployed to Mali and Al-Qaeda. He's a keen golfer, though he admits to himself that his ability does not match his enthusiasm. The Chinook has been continually used by the Air Force as a battlefield helicopter for over 40 years. It first saw action in the Falkland Islands conflict in 1982, and has seen operational use in Iraq, Afghanistan, and most recently Mali, to name a few. Its heavy lift capability, combined with power, speed, and agility, ensure that even during the hottest summers and darkest nights, the force forward completes its mission. Supporting the display aircraft this year are an exceptional team of engineers where they'll be focused on returning the aircraft to the hopper. Shortly they'll full power and fly the aircraft off the flight left heading, making the slip skyward before the force field. Rapidly rotating and flying to the proud to be bringing you the 2022 Chinook display. We do this alongside our operational frontline deployed commitments, whilst also conducting all our regular duties, training and tasking throughout the evening. Nose high. It allows Smitty to run the aircraft down the runway while slowing and eventually coming to a stop. To add to this unique party trick, he will then accelerate backwards and take off.
Was it also working from the loaded car back quickly? You can have it open up again while you're going through the loop and just drive up to the stage and then stop.
There we go. Please give the crew a final wave as Flinny flaps the land flaps as they say goodbye before departing back. Don't forget to enter our photo competition for the chance to win one of our official social media feeds, and good luck to those taking part. And now we must say goodbye. It's been an absolute pleasure to display to you today here at RAF. Our sincere thanks must go out to the event organisers,